Today we're going to discuss the Thor F-M2SDI-TX RX. It simultaneously transmits two independent channels of full HD-SDI at 1080i 60Hz over one fiber, transports embedded stereo audio, return path serial RS-485 channel for controlling equipment on the transmitter end. Link lights on both transmitter and receiver indicate proper fiber connection. Supports single-mode fiber up to 20 kilometers. Setup is remarkably easy. Connect fiber, connect SDI, and connect power. In our test environment, we will be using the Thor HD-SDI PG pattern generator and the Thor Maximus H265 Pro camera, with a testing distance of 35.4 kilometers of single-mode fiber. Our signal chain goes from pattern generator and camera to the transmitter, to the fiber, to the receiver, to the monitor. Visit our website at thorbroadcast.com and find the F-M2SDI-TX RX in the SDI fiber optic extenders and digital audio extenders section. Thank you for watching.